Let's now learn to write the letter R. The big letter R is half P. We write a long line and then P. Put another line and it becomes R. So like this, and then you have the full circle going. That is R. From top to bottom, like P, and another line. And the small letter is one line and then another line. This and this. Write it like this. Now, the sound of letter R is R. Have you seen small puppies? I have a rag in my hand. What is this? An old rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. When he pulls so hard. Rrr, rrr. Say it again. Rrr. And puppy pulls the rag, what happened? Rrr. The letter R, the sound is rrr, rrr. Okay? Now, so you have R, rrr, rat, run, rrr, rain, rug, rail, ring, rabbit, rainbow, rabbit, rainbow. The sound of letter R, rrr, rrr. Remember the puppy pulling the rag. Rrr. Letter R says rrr.